Welcome to 691 Country View in Salem, Arkansas. This home has an open floor plan with a large dining/living area and kitchen. There is a wood burning stove, and it is beautiful wood everywhere. Wood floors, wood walls, wood ceilings. As you enter the home, you'll come to the initial primary bedroom, which has a private bath with a clawfoot tub, and a second bathroom, which has a walk-in tile shower. There is a second bedroom on this level. The home is over 3,500 square feet and consists of 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. Plus there's some additional areas that could be used for sleeping. There is a loft bedroom overlooking the kitchen and living room. The kitchen has granite countertops, custom cabinets. It does include the refrigerator and the commercial stove. This part of the home was built in 2003, and then they added on more space in 2017. Convenient area for washing dogs or washing laundry, pre-treating laundry, as well as a large pantry and laundry room. There's also a mudroom for plenty of space to keep your boots and coats. The transition from the original home to the addition is a breakfast nook that can also be used as an office space, which has lots of natural light. To the new primary bedroom with a walk-in closet and loft storage, as well as its own private bath. It will have a full-length dressing table with sink and a walk-in tile shower. There is a large family room with vaulted ceilings, where you can walk out onto the deck, where there is a great view of the land. On the lower level of the addition is a den or family room, and there is also non-conforming bedrooms, as well as the 4th bedroom with a large vanity and a tile shower. The taxes on this property are only $711 currently, and you do get a $425 homestead credit in Arkansas if it's your primary residence.